Imagine talking to a Dutch friend. They ask what you did yesterday. You need the perfect tense. In English, you say, I worked. In Dutch, you use two verbs. First, an auxiliary, like hebben or zijn. Second, a past participle with ge. Let's look at our first sentence. Laten we beginnen. Let's start. First verb, werken, to work. Ik heb gewerkt. I have worked. Notice gewerkt has ge at the start. Now let me add a word, yesterday. In Dutch, yesterday is gisteren. Ik heb gisteren gewerkt. I worked yesterday. The ge verb goes to the end. Let's try with another subject, she. Zij heeft gisteren gewerkt.
She worked yesterday. Can you guess the next sentence? How do you say, we worked? Think about it for a second. Here is the answer. Wij hebben gewerkt. We have worked. Great job! Now another verb. The verb koken means to cook. Ik heb gekookt. I have cooked. Let me add a word. Soup. Hij heeft soep gekookt. He has cooked soup. Now it is your turn again. How would you say you cooked? Take a moment to guess. Here is the correct sentence. Jij hebt gekookt. You have cooked. Great job!
Excellent! What about movement verbs? Verbs of movement use zijn. For example, the verb gaan. Ik ben gegaan. I have gone. Another example is the verb komen. Hij is gekomen. He has come. Let's add a destination. Wij zijn naar huis gegaan. We went home. Time for a quick pattern drill. Repeat after each sentence. Ik heb geluisterd. I have listened. Ik heb gespeeld. I have played. Ik heb geleerd. I have learned. Ik heb gemaakt.
I have made. Now, let's enter the error clinic. Mistake number 1. Forgetting ge. Beginner mistake. Ik heb werkt. What went wrong here? You forgot the prefix ge. The correct version is ik heb gewerkt. I have worked. Mistake number 2. Wrong verb position. Beginner mistake. Ik gewerkt heb. What is wrong with this? The ge verb must go last. Let's fix it together.
Ik heb gisteren gewerkt. I worked yesterday. Mistake number 3. Wrong auxiliary verb. Beginner mistake. Ik heb gegaan. Gaan is movement, so use zijn. Here is the correct sentence. Ik ben gegaan. I have gone. Here is your memory anchor.
Auxiliary second, ge-verb at the end. Hebben for actions. Zijn for movement. Let me give a brief recap. Vandaag leerden we de voltooide tijd. Today we learned the perfect tense. Combine hebben or zijn with ge-verb. Practice this structure every day. See you next lesson!